Welcome to this video of the Facebook Group Domination Masterclass. My name is Leon Chaudhry, and in this video I would like to give you some information about me. I will also talk with you about the projects that I'm going to have for you and how you can reach me at any given time in the Udemy Q&A section. But now, let's start with a little introduction. I will tell you a couple of things, and then afterwards I'm going to move on and start with the course. So first of all, I want to talk with you a little bit about myself. I want to give you some information, and then afterwards I will show you in the next video how you can introduce yourself to the course community. But again, my name is Leon Chaudhry. I'm the CEO and founder of Teaching Hero, the world's biggest online teaching agency. I'm currently 20 years old and I'm situated in Berlin, in Germany. Now, I didn't really start my career in business or online marketing. I rather started my career in the field of science. Actually, started my career at the age of 14 at the Free University of Berlin and worked with something called ESR, which means electron spin resonance spectroscopy. For my work with electron spin resonance spectroscopy, I actually received Germany's National Environmental Award and won Germany's most prestigious science competition called Jugendforsch twice. Now, but at that point I realized, okay, I don't want to be a scientist. I rather want to be an entrepreneur. I want to be someone who does online marketing, sells products, and I really started very early on in my life thinking about how I can start a business that is profitable. And one of the opportunities that I, thought were so amazing were Facebook groups. Actually, I started my first profitable Facebook group at the age of 17. So that was already 3 years ago. And at that time, no one really made money with Facebook groups. Now, I started my first six-figure business at the age of 18, started my first business actually at the age of 16, which turned out successful, but nowhere near six figures. And now I'm basically managing multiple businesses that combined generate 7 figures. Now, I currently manage a company called Teaching Hero, which produces online video courses, a company called Hero Academies, where I help people to create online academies, and I also build academies for influencers from the United States, and also the Hero Accelerator, where I teach people how to make money online, for instance, also with Facebook groups. Now, I'm also managing dozens of YouTube channels, Udemy accounts, and so on, where I also post free content. But let's go over to the experience. What exactly do I believe I can help you with? If you have any questions concerning online marketing, business development, dropshipping, financial mathematics, and investments in portfolio management, I'm the person to go to. If there's anything you would like to know, you can ask me at any given time. So I see my own experience in the field of online marketing, of course, because I've sold hundreds of thousands of dollars in products online. I've built multiple six-figure businesses. That's why business development. I'm a dropshipping expert, have multiple dropshipping businesses, and also now study financial mathematics and investments in portfolio management. So definitely, if you have any questions there, you can ask me at any given time. But for now, the information that I also want to give you is that, of course, we have projects here in this course. I really want this course to be project-based. I want you to really get the most out of this course, and I want you to, basically know everything that I know right now after watching this course. And that's why I want to give you some projects so you can apply what I'm teaching you here in this course. And the first project type is definitely quizzes. So you can take these quizzes inside this course. You can check immediately whether your answers were correct or not. Then the project type number 2 is worksheets that you can download. I will tell you to go to the video resource section. It's basically always in the left top corner. If you are using a desktop computer, if you're using the app, it might be somewhere else. Then project type number 3, Udemy assignments that you can hand in directly on Udemy, and I will correct them for you. Then project type number 4, it's independent research project. So basically I will give you topics and you don't have to do research on them, but I would recommend you to do research on them. All right. And also I want to just remind you that you can get in touch with me at any given time. You can message me at any given time. I'm always willing to answer all of your questions. I'm actually very happy if someone sends me a question. Why? Because it just shows that you're watching this course, that you're thinking about what I'm teaching, and that means the world to me. So where exactly can you send me a message? Well, for instance, you can send me a message in the Udemy Q&A section. You just simply click on dashboard and then click on Q&A, and there will be a little field, little white space, let's say, and in that space you can write your question, and it will be sent directly to the course community so everyone can see it. But of course I can see it as well. I get a notification and then I will send you the answer. And of course, also, if you have a private question, you can of course message me at any given time in the Udemy messaging tool. Just go to my official profile here on Udemy, click on send message, and you'll be able to send me a message at any given time. But for now, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for enrolling. It is a true honor and a pleasure for me to teach you here on Udemy. And I hope, of course, that you're going to have an amazing learning experience in this course.